Hello watch lovers. Now everyone loves a Casio G-Shock, but why? Is it because for the same price as a Rolex Submariner you can get like 80 of them? Or is it because they make £100 watches that are virtually indestructible and insanely cool looking? Or is it because they brag a whole host of amazing functions that no other watch can possibly match at that price? And maybe that's what makes them so intensely collectible, like Beanie Babies and Pokemon combined. Well, in today's video I've got some of the best, boldest and toughest G-Shocks. From everyday icons, mud-proof wrist tanks, to a prestigious samurai sword of a G-Shock. So let's get into it. When the first G-Shock, the DW5000, launched in 1983, it revolutionised the watch industry with its unmatched shock resistance, born from a goal of creating a watch that could be dropped and not break. And with its iconic square shape, which was granted a 3D patent trademark in 2013, this design is one of the most popular and familiar G-Shocks. This is the DW5600 UE1 from the 5600 series. It's a classic G-Shock that's almost unchanged since its first appearance in the 80s, and features a whole host of awesome features like a shock-resistant resin case, naturally, 200 meters of water resistance, an LED backlight, 1/100th of a second stopwatch, countdown timer, alarms, and a full auto calendar to the year 2099. And with a case diameter in 42.8mm, this is a tried and true G-Shock, and it's an absolute powerhouse for less than £100, £99.90 to be precise. And then if you want a bit more bang resistance for your buck, then there's the 5000 series, like this DW5000R Origin. This is a faithful recreation of the very first ever G-Shock, and it features classic nostalgic colour accents, red, blue and yellow on the display, denoting determination, water resistance and shock resistance, as well as the iconic brickwork pattern around the display. It comes with an updated case size too, in a slightly smaller 42.3mm, and increased durability thanks to a stainless steel case that's reinforced with an outer resin bezel. And this one is made in Japan at Yamagata Casio, the mother factory where the first ever G-Shock was made. Now for all those added extras you'll pay a little bit more than the standard G-Shock, and this one costs £179. Moving on now to the latest 5000 series model released in June this year, the GMW B5000D1C. Again with the iconic red line and brickwork display, but with the square case rendered in stainless steel. Forged and cut into the same iconic form, and with a bezel featuring a brushed top surface and mirror polished edges. It's a high gloss finish, almost liquid metal in appearance, a bit like a T1000 for your wrist. That's the Terminator, that's not another G-Shock model as far as I know. But it's really sleek and stylish, and it comes with all the same shock resistance and solid construction, with fine resin buffering components used between the bezel and the case for maximum durability. And then there's a screw down case back which provides 200 meters of water resistance, and you can also link it to your phone with Bluetooth for easy watch setting, auto time adjustments for over 300 cities, and there's also a handy phone finder feature as well. It comes equipped with a multi-band 6 radio antenna that maintains precise timekeeping through radio signals, and it's solar powered. This full metal 5000 series G-Shock costs £489. Moving on now to the 2100 series, and in 2019 the first GA2100 watch was introduced. Now this is a mega evolution of the DW5000 in a new physical form, and it was a barnstorming success. There wasn't a single barn in the world that wasn't stormed most awesomely by this watch, and consequently it became a new flagship model for the brand. The octagonal bezel present on the original 5000 is now prominently expressed and surrounds a bold 3D moulded dial with an analog digital combi display. There's a date pointer window, beveled LCD and notched minute dial ring. There's also an LED light to light up the dial or help you find stuff under the bed, which is how I use it most of the time. And it features the carbon core guard structure. That's a carbon fibre reinforced resin case, which is lightweight, high strength and water resistant to 200 meters. Now this watch is 48mm across, which on paper sounds huge, and while G-Shocks are meant to be loud and proud, it doesn't really wear like that. It's actually slim and compact and will fit comfortably on smaller wrists. Big fan. This GA2100 RL1A costs £99.90. And again, if you want that liquid metal glossy chromium look, then there's the new metal covered 2100, the GBM 2100A1AR. Here with a sky blue dial. So the durable resin module is shrouded in a forged stainless steel case, giving you all that indestructible octagonal goodness, but with a mirror finish. Just look at the gleam on that. It also comes with a unique metallic watch face with a cool shimmery grid pattern that's achieved using vapor deposition and a circular brushed finish. This one also features Bluetooth connectivity and runs on solar power. This sleek and stylish G-Shock costs £229. Next, we have the classic 90s G-Shock, the 6900 series. The choice of military men and tough guys the world over, and more often than not seen on the wrists of actors portraying police officers in films and TV shows. And with good reason too, with its imposing 50mm diameter and robust construction. It's just your standard issue G-Shock, and this is the model DW6900U1. With the iconic rounded case and triple graph second styles, and a large liquid crystal display, which can be illuminated with a backlit LED via a very satisfying big front button. Boasting 200 meters of water resistance, the utilitarian design and absolute toughness of this watch make it a perfect choice for anyone with a physically demanding lifestyle. It's also just seriously cool looking too. It comes at the entry-level G-Shock price of £99.90. So in 2010, in a stroke of genius from G-Shock, they figured that their watches could be bigger and tougher. And so they introduced the 110 series. It features a complex dial structure inspired by the retro-futuristic mechanisms of steampunk visuals, and it comes with an analog display of gear-shaped hands. There's a chunky case featuring new part moulding and configuration that makes for a powerful, rugged and distinctive G-Shock, with huge physical presence on the wrist. This is the GA110RL1A. It comes with a screw-down steel caseback, chunky knurled textured pushers on the side, 200 meters of water resistance, and a 51mm diameter case. This dauntless 110 series G-Shock costs £109. Now, if all that tactical black doesn't really do it for you, then try this. This is the G-Squad GBD 200 series, and it's a G-Shock calibrated for extreme workouts. Hence the fluorescent colour, to match your running shoes and sweatbands. This watch keeps track of everything you need during a workout: distance, speed, pace, lap times, calories burned, step counter, interval timer, as well as life logs and activity history. Connect it to your smartphone for even more stuff too, including GPS tracking and the ability to sync it with Strava. It's really slim too, so will easily slide under the cuff of a dress shirt, no problemo. This GBD 200 costs £139. Right. Time to get serious. Come on, get serious with me now. This is the RANGEMAN from the Master of G series. Designed for use in extreme conditions and boasting both the solidity and appearance of a bulldozer. This third generation RANGEMAN takes shock absorption to the upper echelons with injection moulded steel shock absorbers on both sides and forged stainless steel buttons fitted with gaskets for protection against mud, dirt, and indeed rubble. There are 6 sensors on this watch to help support your activities in the field by monitoring changes in the environment and your physical condition. And there's a vast catalogue of functions that allow you to track your adventures, like a compass, altimeter, barometer, and you can check your fitness and performance data as well with a heart monitor. There's 9 different activity modes, including trekking, biking and swimming, and you can even connect it to your smartphone and customize what data you want to see displayed. And it all shows up on the crisp memory and pixel screen. Then meanwhile, around the back of the case, there's an embossed RANGEMAN Wildcat motif, which just on its own is pretty cool. This watch is both rugged and state-of-the-art, and it's a serious bit of kit that's ready for anything. It's 53mm in diameter, water resistant to 200 meters, and solar powered. The RANGEMAN GPRH 1000 costs £449. Now onto the G-Shock MUDMASTer. Another favourite with wild outdoorsy types, this is the GMG B1000. this mission-ready MUDMASTER is also built to withstand the harshest environments. Engineered for durability and precision and designed to be an indispensable piece of tactical gear. With its brawny construction of high-grade steel bezel, diamond carbon shock absorbers and bio-based carbon fibre case structure in a 52mm diameter, this is the ultimate survival tool. You could probably even use it to smash open a can of beans in a pinch as well, I reckon, because it's an absolute tank of a watch. It makes Master Chief look like Necker Chief. It comes with advanced triple sensors to keep you informed of changing environmental conditions, with things like altimeter, barometer, compass and thermometer, as well as functions to keep you on track during your quests, like a mission log that records your time, distance, elevation and coordinates, and a handy location indicator, which allows the watch to navigate you back to a pre-saved location like base camp or your hotel. It's also equipped with all of that other G-Shock good stuff like multi-band 6 atomic timekeeping technology, solar power, 200 meters of water resistance, and as the name suggests, mud and shock resistance. This absolute beast of a watch costs £699. Now, moving on to the MRG series. So MRG watches are Casio G-Shock's luxury collection of watches that are just on another level. Each watch is a fusion of creative style and innovative construction, combining state-of-the-art technologies with traditional crafting techniques and featuring carefully selected colours, materials and finishes. So this is the new Frogman MRG BF 1000 RG. Built for divers, this is a ridiculously solid watch, with a titanium carbide finish applied to the case, bezel and caseback, and it's ISO rated with 200 meters of water resistance thanks to the crown and caseback, which feature an airtight screw lock construction. The dial also features a fully analog display for maximum visibility under the water, with markers coated by hand with fluorescent paint. It features a dual time display for telling time in a secondary location, and a tide level indicator. The watch comes in a mixture of adventurous green khaki hues, inspired by the world's largest frog, the Goliath frog. And it even looks a bit like a frog from the side, so that's good. The case is a lustrous titanium, and there's bright orange accents on the dial, which is nicely finished with a grainy, shimmery texture. The ultra-soft fluoro rubber band comes with a titanium alloy buckle and is chunky and solid. And there's also handy slide pins to quickly and easily remove the strap for cleaning and maintenance. Round the back there's a sapphire crystal cast in a vibrant green vapour deposition and decorated with an engraved frog motif. Looks funky as heck, but also allows for clearer reception for the multiband 6 radio transmitter. The watch also comes with all of that sophisticated G-Shock functionality, as well as dive and tide modes that let you check dive times, surface intervals, monitor tide conditions, and a dive log that lets you record up to 30 dives. This is the real deal, people, and the Frogman costs £4,400. Now, before we get to our final watch, did you know that you can find out about other amazing watches via our Watchfinder newsletter? To get exclusive access to new arrivals, be the first to hear about all our special offers and promotions, and to get first dibs on our giveaways, just head down to the link in the description to sign up. Finally, we have this, the MRG B2000 GS1DR Samurai. Limited to just 800 pieces worldwide and inspired by the art of forging Japanese katana swords. So let's start with the bezel. It's made of a recrystallized hybrid titanium and forged to resemble the tempered pattern of a katana blade. The pattern is formed by two types of titanium that are interwoven through a high temperature and high pressure compression process. It's then cut and polished into the bezel shape. Meanwhile, the bracelet is made from a special alloy, the mysteriously named DAT55G. It's 3 times harder than titanium and finished with a decorative blue shell lacquer, inspired by the scabbards of Japanese swords. This lacquer, algawi as it's known, is a method that involves laying pieces of shell into the lacquer surface, and it gives it an iridescent quality and a finish that's truly exquisite. And to my eye, it looks a little bit like dinosaur skin, which is a big plus for me personally. It's then DLC coated to protect it from scratches and comes with a seriously cool tight lock clasp. Fun fact, world-leading modern katana swordsmith Kamiyama Teruhira, who collaborated on this watch, has also hand-engraved the back of each of the 800 pieces with the Japanese character for San. And I wasn't expecting that. On the dial, there's textural diamond shapes and a fan-like motif around the outside, and the indexes are curved like katana blades. And then overall, the dark textures of the watch are contrasted by flashes of polished gold-coloured fixtures. It's an astoundingly cool watch. The beauty of this watch is also accompanied by all of the functionality of a G-Shock, naturally. But to taste the majestic reality of this watch, it will cost you £6,700. So there we go, that was a roundup of some of the best G-Shocks out there at the moment. And if you want more astoundingly cool watches, then why not head over to watchfinder.com, where you can shop thousands of models from all the best luxury brands and find your next pre-owned luxury watch. Check it out, and I'll catch you next time. Goodbye.